Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. JD here with a not really a car finance related video, just a bit of an introduction to a bit of a channel revamp I'm going for. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the new kit that I'm using, because I know some of you have emailed me recently and asked me about how I put my tutorials together, and kind of recently I've been looking at trying to make a more ergonomic, more efficient way for me to make the videos, so hopefully that will encourage me to make more content, because I'm really chuffed with regards to the amount of emails I get from you saying how useful you find the content, and that is encouraging me to want to make more. So what I've done, I've kind of invested in a few new bits of kit which enable me to keep everything in my office set up. It makes it a lot easier to make the content. You know, previously I used to have to grab my screen, I used to have to sync the separate recorded file of the screen to the recording from the camera, and there's quite a lot of post-production effort that I had to put in. And the way that I'm doing it now enables me to basically just record and upload. Now I'm using a piece of software called OBS. I don't know if anyone's come across OBS, but I've only recently discovered it. I'd heard of it before through kind of the work I do, but actually for the channel I'd never really looked into it. And OBS is kind of a free piece of streaming software. I know a lot of gaming YouTubers use it. It enables them to, you know, talk over their computer games and show their PS4 or whatever it is. But it also enables you to show graphics, it enables you to show web pages and spreadsheets and your camera, and so it's really useful for me. So you can make different scenes. So for example, what I've done here, look, this is kind of what I've called my main camera scene, but enables me to put like a little thumbnail permanently on the image without having to render it like you would do in a normal video editing package. Enables you to put some titles on, and then what happens, look, is as soon as I go to Excel, what I've set it up to do is automatically switch. So it's enabled me to keep the screen at the top left, as you can see. So I'm still getting used to where to look here, and then enables me to look down, as it were, onto the spreadsheet, so that I can do my usual bits and bobs, you know, when we go through different examples which we've done in the past, blah 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 blah. Enables me, as soon as we come back out of that, enables me to switch back to full screen. If I want to show something on the internet, so let's say we were looking at, I don't know, BMW finance for example, enables me to go straight to the internet. Again, I can still keep everything over the top, so I can, you know, look down on the internet, so it kind of works better for presenting things. And then we just go back to full video, and there we are again. So hopefully it'll enable me to be much more efficient with my content. It'll enable me to get more videos out, and hopefully they will look and sound a little bit better than they did before as well. So stay tuned. I'm going to release some more content as soon as I can, but I just wanted to touch base with you, just show you the new setup. Do keep commenting, do keep subscribing, do keep emailing me at the email address here. Look, I can even see what I'm pointing to now, kind of. That doesn't work, does it? You get the idea. Do send me emails. You know, I'd really like to hear from you. I really like helping you. Email me to find out how you can get a copy of the spreadsheet, and I will see you very soon with some new content. Thanks for watching, and take care.